It is said the world was created in 7 days. On the 8th day, the world looked down and said, I need a custodian to care for my assets, protect my people, and keep my places safe and ready for life. So the world created a cleaner. The world said, I need someone who knows a restroom is where dignity is tested. Someone who will scrub tile grout until it's white again, disinfect every toilet, every urinal, every flush handle, because 100 hands will touch what they clean today. Someone who knows that floor care begins with the dust mop. Someone who masters the damp mop, not too wet, not too dry, and never leaves streaks. Someone who runs a walk-behind scrubber down 100 yards of tile, knows the right pad, commands it like a captain at the helm. The world said, I need someone who understands burnishing the high-speed shine that protects as it gleams, because that shine isn't vanity, it's armor. The world said, I need someone who strips and refinishes floors to a safe, glass-like shine. A well-maintained floor saves lives. Because that's not just cleaning, that's craftsmanship, that's art. The world said, I need someone who knows a gymnasium floor is sacred ground, where champions are made, who thinks about traction, not just shine. Because a well-maintained floor protects people, it saves lives. The world said, I need someone strong enough to haul trash in the rain and strip floors before dawn, who may work 365 days a year, holidays included, while the world sleeps, yet gentle enough to clean around a sleeping patient without a sound, gentle enough to kneel down and tell a lost child, don't worry, sweetheart, you're safe now. The world said, I need someone who knows that in a hospital, clean isn't enough. Disinfected is the standard, who understands dwell time, follows protocol, because precision saves lives. The world said, I need someone who will prepare the operating room so a surgeon can save a life. Because when they clean a hospital room, they're not removing dirt, they're removing fear, they're creating hope. So the world created a cleaner. The world said, I need someone who guards my children, sanitizing desks, maintaining gyms, keeping cafeterias clean. Healthy kids learn, safe kids grow. The world said, I need someone who changes bedding with precision, erases every trace, so a stranger far from home wakes renewed. The world said, I need someone who works behind the scenes, washing dishes, scrubbing pots, cleaning the grill, so families can share meals without a second thought. I need someone who squeegees windows crystal clear, so people can see out into the world. Someone who lets the light back in. Then the world looked at the cleaner, working quietly, faithfully, often unnoticed, and smiled. Because while others may call it cleaning, the world knew better. It was stewardship. It was protection. It was service. It was care made visible. It was love in action. It was the highest calling. Then the world reflected. Cleaners will need guidance and answers at 3 in the morning, in any language. They deserve support that matches their dedication and knowledge that honor their craft. So the world made, Hey Walter. Walter is an AI-powered assistant that delivers fast, verified guidance on cleaning and safety protocols built on 70 years of proven expertise. Every recommendation grounded in decades of cleaning science, practical know-how, and real-world results, real-time answers, consistent results, built to teach, guide, and reinforce, to turn complex procedures into step-by-step instructions and time studies that make learning clear and repeatable. Available in over 140 languages, and accessible across all skill levels, so every cleaner understands. To standardize what good looks like, to reduce chemical waste with the right product at the right dilution, to lower costs, boost productivity, and support retention. Excellence across every site, every shift, every team. Support that matches their dedication, knowledge that honors their craft. Empowering those who care for our spaces. Contact us to learn more.